Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Mahadev Vallekar. Today is a technical topic and the today's topic name is the types of the medical coding system. The systems are the standardized classification systems used to document and bill healthcare services. The system convert the medical diagnosis, procedures, and the treatments into the alphanumeric codes. There are different types of the systems used to code the diseases, symptoms, etc. First one, it is a ICD, that is International Classification of the Diseases. It is used to classify and code the disease, symptoms, and the causes of the disease. It is maintained by the World Health Organizations. And the versions of the ICD are ICD-10. It is commonly used for the diagnostic coding. It has a chapters based and organ systems, infection diseases, and the more. Then the ICD-11, the latest version, it is introduced into the 2019. It used the digital tools. It is used for the epidemiological studies. Then the ICD is used for the clinical research codings. Then the reimbursement processes. Tracking the global health trends. The second one, it is a CPT. CPT, it is a current procedure terminology. The CPT codes are used for the medical procedures, surgical procedures, and the diagnostic procedure. The CPT code is maintained by the American Medical Associations, that is AMA. The structure is based on to the category. The category 1 contains the codes for the surgeries and the procedures. Category 2 contains the codes for the performance measures. Then the category 3, it is a temporary codes for emerging the technologies and the experimental services. Then the applications of the CPT. The CPT is primarily used into the US for the billing purposes and the insurance compliance. It ensures the uniform documentations of the medical services. Then the HCPCS, that is Healthcare Common Procedures Coding System. This system is used for the billing, Medicare, and the Medicaid services. Then it is maintained by the Center for Medicare and the Medicaid Services, that is CMS. Then it is classified into the levels, that is level 1, identical to the CPT codes. Then the level 2, it covers the product supply services which is not included into the current procedural terminologies. Then the application of the HCPCS, it is used for the billing purposes and the non-physician services into the United States. Then fourth one, it is a DRG, that is diagnostic related groups. A system is used for the classifying hospital cases into the groups for the billing purposes. Then it is maintained by the CMS into the US. Structure contains the based on the diagnosis procedures, age, and the length of the stay into the hospital. For example, surgical DRGs and the medical DRGs. Then the DRGs is applicable into the hospital reimbursement. Then the help in the cost controls measured by the standardizing payment. Then fifth one, it is a systemized nomenclature of the medicine and the clinical terms. The system provides a detail and the comprehensive medical vocabulary and the in detail informations. Then it is maintained by the International Health Terminology Standards and the development organizations. Then it helps to encode the diseases, findings, procedures, drugs, and the different types of the devices. Then it offers the hierarchical structures for the detailed representations. Then applications. It is used into the electronic health record, that is EHRS, for the clinical documentations and the other purposes. Then the logical observation identifiers names. It is a standardized lab and the clinical observations. Then it is maintained by the regions. It is maintained by the institutes. Then it is used for the laboratory tests like blood tests, imaging studies. Then it supports the data exchange between the healthcare providers. Then seventh one, it is a NDC, that is a national drug codes. It helps to identify the drugs and the different type of the medications. Then it is maintained by the US Food and Drug Administrations, that is the FDA. Then it contains the 10 to 13 digit code that identifies the manufacturer, product, and the packaging information. Then it is used for the tracking. It is used for the billing purposes. Then at one, it is a diagnostic and the statistical manuals of the disorder. Then the codes classifies the mental disorder. It is maintained by the American Psychiatrist Associations. It is used into the mental health and the diagnostic and the researches. Next is the current dental terminology. The current dental terminology, it is used for the dental procedures and the dental services. It is maintained by the American Dental Associations. Then it facilitates the accurate documentations, billings for the dental care. Unified medical language system. The unified medical language systems integrate the multiple coding systems that into the different framework. Then it is maintained by the U.S. National Library and the Medicine. It helps to enhance the difference between the healthcare systems and accuracy between the healthcare systems. Then the coder have to ensure that accurate coding, billings, and the better patient's care by using these different coding systems. Thank you.